500 grams of chicken, 1.5 cup of curd, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, chilies, sliced ginger, coriander, fried onion, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon Kashmiri chili powder, half lemon, 2 tablespoon ghee. Mix them well. Leave the marinated chicken for 15 minutes. Fried potatoes and eggs. 2.5 cup of rice. Leave it for 15 minutes dipped in water. Boil water with bay leaf, cinnamon, clove and black pepper. Cook the rice 70% till the rice is not too soft, not too hard. After 15 minutes of marinade, pour the chicken in a cauldron. Stuff in the fried potatoes and then put the layers of boiled rice. Plate them well. Stuff with the eggs. Sprinkle some fried onion, some coriander leaves, sliced gingers. Sprinkle some Shahi Garam Masala, some Kashmiri chili powder, spoon of ghee. Again, layer with the rice and then spread them well. Sprinkle some more Shahi Garam Masala and Kashmiri powder. Spread up some coriander leaves. Spread some fried onion. And then 4 spoons of rose water. 1 to 2 spoons of ghee. After cooking for 25 to 30 minutes, we can see our biryani is almost ready. Serve it. Our biryani is ready. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you find the video useful and subscribe for more cooking videos.